Italy is a famous country. The entire world knows it because of its top fashion designers, excellent food, and amazing architecture. There is much more to Italy than that, though. There are spectacular views, beautiful landscapes, an infinite amount of culture, and a long, profound history. Our itinerary will take you from north to south, guiding you to the discovery of the country that is full of different traditions. From the snowy mountains around Turin to the sunny coast of Naples, you will have a chance to see many sides of the same country. You will admire Turin's high mall, the tall building that looks over the city and gives you a breathtaking view of the mountains, and walk through the fashion streets of Milan to feel like a star. You will see Juliet's balcony in Verona and hear a different side to her sad story, and explore the canals of Venice and admire the masterful work of glassmakers. You will climb atop the many towers of the cultural city of Bologna and see incredible masterpieces in the Uffizi Gallery in Florence. You will explore Rome and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, making a wish, and you will also see the location of the bloody fights of gladiators. You will sit in one of Naples' many churches and admire the atmosphere of the city that has many contradictory sides. And feel like you have gone back in time when looking at the remains of Pompeii, buried under ash thousands of years ago and perfectly preserved. Italy is more than just a country, it's an experience, and we're sure you will enjoy it. Take your time and take everything in: the churches, the museums, the streets, the boutiques, the restaurants, the pizzerias, and the people around you. It will be a long journey, and it will be unforgettable.